Hello guys, we are just going to learn about the matter. So before dive into the detailed part about the matter or like the different types of matter that we have, so there is a need to understand first what is matter exactly, right? So matter is kind of a fundamental concept in science and it is defined as anything that has mass and occupies some kind of a space. Let's take an example over here. For example, right now I'm just sitting on my chair. So, what do you think? Is my chair or I am exactly occupy some space of this room? Yes. So that means my chair is a matter. Like exactly my chair is made up of a matter. Get it? So, in the other words, we can say also matter is the stuff that makes up everything around us. So, this is so interesting for everything. So, there are some key points that I'm just going to discuss with you about the matter. So, first thing, matter is having a mass. How? As this one is the first picture that I just pasted, and this one is the second picture that I just pasted about the matter. So, this one is a very interesting thing that I'm just going to tell you about the matter. So, the first thing, everything that we have just around us, just like a table, chair, whatever we are drinking, whatever we are eating, so everything is just made up of a matter. Now, there are some key points that I'm just going to discuss with you, everyone. Here, the first thing, the first key points about the matter is like every matter is having a mass. I'm going to write down over here matter is having a mass. They has mass. Now, what is the meaning of that? Matter has weight and can be measured. Mass is measure of the amount of matter in an object. Now, the second key point is it occupies some kind of a space. Like right now, I'm just sitting on my chair, and my chair is exactly occupies some space of this room. That means my chair is exactly made up of some kind of a matter. The third thing that is composed of atoms and molecules. As you can see, this one is the first picture that I just recently pasted over here. There are some atoms and molecules that you will gonna see. That means each and every matter, when we just look in the tiny particles of the matter, so you will gonna see each and every matter is just gonna be made up of some atoms and the molecules. Or in the other thing, we can say any kind of a matter is made up of atoms or molecules. Like when we just zoom in that the detailed picture of the atom or your matter, you will gonna see over there some atoms and the molecule. Now the fourth key point is each and every matter is exist in the different states. Now what does it mean? Matter can exist in several states including solid, liquid, or gas. Now if you remember that I just recently told you about that, like whatever we are eating, whatever we are drinking, wherever we are just sitting, okay, so each and every is just going to be made up of a matter. Get it? Each state has distinct property and behaviors. For example, a solid has a fixed shape, liquid takes the shape of its container, and gas spreads out to fill any space or liquid. So now let's continue with the second part, which is this the second one picture that I just pasted over here. Now, these are the types of states of matter. Types of states of matter. That means our matter can be present in solid form, it can be present in liquid form, or it can be present in gas form. So that's it for today. So in the next session, we are just going to continue with the types of states of matter. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So bye bye.